are back with the GTI. Just did some finishing touches in the trunk. Hope you guys liked it. Up here, the fuse box, I kept it as is, so I didn't have to mess with the wiring. I directly wired the battery to the starter, and then I wired it to the fuse box. I had to add an extra lug here. I had to cut it up a little bit so that it would fit. I drove around for a while to let the battery charge up and started it up again. It did much better than the last time. So up next we got, if I can get this out, the SAI and the emissions delete. Fairly simple and easy process. Remove the parts, replace hoses, and pretty much cap off all the unused vacuum ports. In Hawaii we don't have any emissions testing, so I'm gonna remove the whole damn thing because it just makes my car run like jack shit. Over here I got the parts that we're gonna use. Got my vacuum tubing, hose clamps, delete kit, my fittings, and the braided hose. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, so I just removed an old part of the crankcase breather. It's this connector right here. But as you can see, it's all jacked up. This brass piece right here, it's supposed to go inside the connector like this. Luckily, the mail came in just in time today. So what I got here is the connector that I got from Euro Parts. Also got a piece of this red hose that I'll use it to connect the connector to the valve cover on this end. Just a quick side-by-side comparison. So pretty much half of it is gone. You can see it's all trash compared to the new one. Everything is done deal. SAI is out, emissions, and the evap is all gone. Also swapped out the hoses for the oil catch can and also worked on the crankcase breather hose. It doesn't look like much, but we are one step closer to cleaning up this engine bay. While I was taking out that evap, I ended up destroying my damn cam sensor. The connector snapped and it disconnected the wires inside. So I headed over to O'Reilly's and had no choice but to get the import direct sensor, which was $121. What the hell? They didn't even have the Bosch sensor, which was only 50 bucks. The shittiest part was that none of these stores on the island had them in stock, so it would take maybe a few days just to get them, but I need the car for work tomorrow and we gotta go run some errands real quick, so I just went ahead and bought the damn thing. Hey, what's up guys? So right now I'm just driving out to go pick up a set of 18-inch rims. Father's Day is coming up soon and my dad's been wanting some rims for his Lexus. Not too bad of a price. They look like they're in good condition, so we're gonna go check them out right now. Oh shit. I got the back all loaded up. I'm surprised I got all of this stuffed into the back of the car. Pretty insane. There's a little sneak peek right there. So I'm gonna head out of this lot and trying to find a place to hide these from my dad. Got these NKs, 18-inch Raijins, NK, whatever you want to call it, gunmetal. It's gonna look sick as fuck on the Lexus. The dude was cool enough to throw in some extra tires because these ones got real bad camber wear. The wires are sticking out, so. Some curb rash, but I mean, it's alright. The roads in Hawaii are terrible anyways, so it's gonna get messed up anyways. There's no cracks and it holds air really well. Dirty, but clean. I will update you guys on how it looks on his car. That's about it for now. I'll see you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching. Shoots.